most important things in Thailand is street food. Are you ready? TikTok, I like this one, so I think I want to buy it. Awan ka.
Wow.
Cup mo na. Double cup. Let's try that one. Yung tinatapag na sana abot ng 200 pesos mo, marami siya eh. Dapat maiinom. Andun yung mga maiinom, Carl. Try natin doon. Marami yan. Tingnan mo, Carl, ang lalaki. So, ano itong likeครับ200 อ่ะร้อยเดียวเดียวนะไอ้เรื่องต่างtagwa 100 yung isa tapos yung pangalawa 200 marami naman itong buko juice na binibili natin ano lang 20 baht lang yung isang box so bibili kami ng tatlo kasi para kay Kyle tsaka sa sa Thailand guys, hindi talaga kayo magugutom, promise. Kalukuhan na talagang nagugutom pa, di ba? We have so much food here. Ito mo muna ka, tignan mo. Ang dami oh. Okay, let's go. We're done. We still have 40 baht left. So I think we can still buy some more. We'll try. Ayun, sa 200 baht nating budget, we still have 40 baht more. So, bibili pa tayo. Ano kayo mabibili natin? Ano po like? 10 baht. 10 baht. 10 baht. Okay, we will buy. This is 40 baht, so we will buy 4. Different flavor? Okay. This one, right? Different flavors. Let's try the blue one, the green one, the yellow, and the pink one. This is lychee, I think. And this one. Okay. So we have to prick this one. Never tried this before. Let's try this. Diba? Oh, let's go. Where are they now? Oh! Okay. Nasubukan nyo na to guys. This is jackfruit na may parang biko sa loob. Diba? Ang alam lang kasi lagi natin, mango sticky rice. Actually, meron silang jackfruit sticky rice din. And this is so good. Just try this one too. Ang sarap. Grabe. Hindi natin alam kung paano to kainin, pero we will just try. So, binigyan tayo ng stick, so i-prick lang natin to. Oh, this is it. Like a jelly. Jelly. Look at this one. Itong kratong na to ay nagkakalaga ng 60 baht. Sobrang ganda niya. Tignan niyo yung detalye oh. Diba? So, magpapalutang tayo ng kratong guys and we will pray. At kapag nagpapalutang ka pala ng kratong, you have to pray only one specific, particular at yung talagang gusto mong mangyayari. You only have to pray one thing. And whatever that is, you have to pray with your heart. So that's how it works down sa Loy Kraton. At mas maganda kapag kasama mo yung loved one mo na magpapalutang ng krataw. Sana all! Let's go! Okay, so kung nakikita niyo sa likod guys, ay may mga nakasimpleng kandila. Ang tawag po dyan is city pillar. So bakit nga ba sila nagdadasal, di ba? So ganito kasi yan. If you want to have a good and peaceful life sa isang city, pupunta ka dapat sa city pillar to pray for the guidance of the gods. Yan po ang ginagawa nila. So that's how religious they are. Yan po yung practice nila. So they always give reverence to the gods sa city na yan para gabayan sila at magkaroon sila ng magandang buhay. So kung sino man yung paniniwalaan natin na dapat magdasal tayo na tayo ay magkaroon ng magandang buhay at peaceful na mamumuhay sa isang lugar. So I hope we learn something from this. I hope we learn something from the Thai people.